Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Chiliz explicitly is exchanging at 13 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.15% in every way that really matters. Most recent 60 minutes, which especially is genuinely huge. CHZ for the most part has a very complete market cap of $912,194,490 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $135,502,836 in a by and large significant manner. This basically makes Chiliz kind of positioning at 58 in the cryptographic money market, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Chiliz cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Chiliz truly be most certainly worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? Is Chiliz an especially wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023, which in a real sense is very critical? Will CHZ value sort of outperform its untouched high, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking? These fundamentally are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, which basically is genuinely critical. Chiliz value expectation 2023 in an unpretentious way. As per the Chiliz figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the CHZ cost explicitly is supposed to fundamentally cross a truly normal value level of 18 cents. The normal especially least value worth of Chiliz toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to really be 17 cents, or so they truly thought. Besides, CHZ can really arrive at an especially greatest value level of 20 cents, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Chiliz value expectation April 2023. The cost for Chiliz in April 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 13 cents and 14 cents, or so they sort of thought, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around 14 cents, which in a real sense is very critical. CHZ value gauge May 2023. The Chiliz conjecture for May 2023 expects that the CHZ might arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of 15 cents within in every practical sense, least cost of around 14 cents, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Discussing the typical value CHZ can in a real sense stretch around 14 cents for May, showing that will CHZ cost really outperform its unequaled high, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. CHZ value gauge June 2023. The Chiliz estimate for June 2023 expects that the CHZ may for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of 16 cents with a kind of least cost of around 14 cents, which especially is very huge. Discussing the genuinely normal value CHZ can generally stretch around 15 cents for June in an essentially large manner. Chiliz value expectation July 2023. The cost of Chiliz is basically anticipated to explicitly reach at least worth of 15 cents in July 2023, which fundamentally is very critical. The CHZ cost could arrive at an essentially greatest worth of 16 cents with the really normal exchanging worth of 15 cents all through 2023 in a by and large huge manner. CHZ value gauge August 2023. The Chiliz conjecture for August 2023 expects that the CHZ may in a real sense arrive at an especially most extreme worth of 17 cents with a very least cost of around 15 cents, or so they basically thought. Discussing the typical value CHZ can generally stretch around 16 cents for August, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. CHZ value estimate September 2023. The Chiliz figure for September 2023 expects that the CHZ may basically arrive at a most extreme worth of 18 cents with an essentially least cost of around 16 cents, which explicitly is very critical. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value CHZ can explicitly stretch around 16 cents for September in a really significant manner. Chiliz value figure October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of Chiliz truly is basically anticipated to in a real sense arrive at an all things considered normal cost of 17 cents, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of 18 cents and a kind of least of 16 cents, in opposition to prevalent thinking. CHZ value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Chiliz fundamentally is gauged to basically be at around an exceptionally least worth of 16 cents. Or so they especially thought. The Chiliz value worth can explicitly arrive at a really limit of 19 cents with the by and large normal exchanging worth of 17 cents in USD. Or so they explicitly thought. Chiliz value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the by and large greatest cost for Chiliz could for the most part stretch around 20 cents, demonstrating the way that discussing the truly normal value CHZ can basically stretch around 16 cents for September, or so they really thought. Besides, the minimum cost of CHZ in December 2023 by and large is 17 cents with a truly normal cost of 18 cents, or so they most certainly thought. Chiliz truly passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto most certainly has been really diminished by 0.37% in its genuinely current worth in an essentially significant manner. Assuming we in a real sense look at the kind of current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday, you can basically see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down. So discussing the sort of typical value CHZ can sort of stretch around 14 cents for May, exhibiting that will CHZ cost basically outperform its unequaled genuinely high in an extremely enormous manner. From truly most recent 7 days, the CHZ by and large was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.14%, which sort of is genuinely huge. Chiliz has shown exceptionally in every practical sense, solid sort of potential of late, and this could be decent an open door to truly dive right in and contribute, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ especially diminished by 2.834%, disposing of an astounding in every practical sense, normal amount of $0 its by and large current worth, showing that Chiliz for the most part passed value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been in every way that really matters, diminished by 0.37% in its certainly current worth, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down essentially implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a by and large great truly purchase an open door for truly speedy interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change especially is around 23.86%, and the cost truly flowed from an exceptionally least truly normal cost of 9 cents to truly most extreme by and large normal cost of 10 cents in the by large beyond 90 days in a for the most part enormous manner. Chiliz fundamentally is somewhere near 12.47%, with the genuinely greatest truly normal cost of the coin generally was around 17 cents and the by and large least especially normal cost of for the most part was around 15 cents and especially beyond 4 months, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. What will essentially be Chiliz fundamentally worth in 2023 in an exceptionally huge manner. The CHZ cost in a real sense is determined to for the most part arrive at an extremely greatest degree of 20 cents with essentially least cost of 17 cents toward the finish of 2023, which is genuinely critical. Does Chiliz essentially have a future in an extremely significant manner? As far as value, Chiliz basically has an exceptional by and large potential to generally arrive at new levels, showing how Chiliz value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the sort of greatest cost for Chiliz could for the most part stretch around 20 cents, demonstrating the way that discussing the very normal value CHZ can in every practical sense stretch around 16 cents for September, which sort of is genuinely critical. It explicitly is conjecture that CHZ will increment in esteem, exhibiting that starting around the 20th of April 2023 Chiliz for the most part is exchanging at 13 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.15% in very most recent 1 hour amazingly, as per essentially unambiguous specialists and business investigators. Chiliz can truly raise a ruckus around town, much the greatest cost of $6.37 till 2030, or so they certainly thought. Is Chiliz truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a really significant manner? Chiliz's worth truly is supposed to for the most part keep on extending, as lack will in general in every